Hello, in this video we will go over how to convert an Excel sheet into a CSV data file and how to import it into the Highcharts Sonification Studio. The first thing you want to do once you pull up the file you're interested in converting is click on the file button here on the top left corner. Once you click on that, you can go down to the export button here, and from there you can click on the change file type button. Clicking on this button will give you different options of exporting your file. You should go over to this section where it says Other File Types and look for the CSV, delimited option. Once you click on that, make sure to click on Save As button, and your Files folder will pop up asking you to save it where you'd like it in your files. Once you have converted the Excel document into a CSV data file, you can go back to the studio and click on the Import button here on the top right corner. And by clicking on this button called CSV Data, your Files app will pop up again, and from there you can select to import the file you just converted into a CSV data file. If you can't find it, the easiest way to find something is by going into your recents. Once you have imported the CSV data file, you will see your data shown here on this chart and on the Data tab. All previous data is removed when importing a new CSV data file. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching.